Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome back to our IT section, Standard 4, Chapter 2, Advanced Logo. So students, in previous chapter, we have learned types of personal computers. First is a desktop computer. Second, laptop. Third, palm tops. Fourth, handheld. Fifth, tablet. So students, today we are going to learn second chapter, Advanced Logo. Students, do you know the meaning of logo? Logo stands for Language of Graphic Oriented, which is simple language used to draw figures, write text, and do calculations. Computer cannot work its own. Then how to get instructions? It is not understand our language. We can easily communicate with each other because we use the same language. But how to communicate with the computer and give instructions? There must be some language that we as well as computer understand. So some special languages have been developed to communicate with computers are called computer languages. We give instructions to the computer in computer language and it gives result in a form that we understand. The logo language. The logo is a computer language specially designed for children's. It is the first language we will learn. It is simple and easy. Program with logo is fun. We can draw lines, shapes, and do sums also. MS Logo is mainly used for creating graphics. You can use logo to give instructions to computer to make various patterns. Children, you must have seen a turtle that lives in the sea. Now I am going to tell you another turtle, the logo turtle. As you give a command instruction, a small triangle called the turtle moves on the screen. The instructions are called primitives. Just the way you use a pencil to draw on your notebook, logo uses this turtle to draw on screen. The turtle. Inside the output screen, there is a small triangle. It's called the turtle. The logo turtle. It remains inside the computer within the program MSW logo. It looks like a triangle. It controls pictures and do maths. The head of the triangle shows you which direction it is facing. This is small triangle obeys the commands given in logo language. The commands type in the commander window and moves around as per the instructions given. When the turtle moves it, draw a line behind it. The turtle only understands the language of logo just the way we know different languages like English, Hindi, French. We need to learn the language called logo. to give instructions to the turtle. Turtle to move around the screen, creating various pictures and designs. When we start logo, the turtle is the center of the screen. The top of the turtle is known as head and the bottom of the part is known as tail. So we will see the primitives. The primitives are the instructions or commands given on the screen of the commander window of MS logo. The turtle on the graphics window moves around as per the instructions to draw or perform various functions. The logo primitives. These are the basic logo commands. First command, forward. Its short form is FD. It is used for moving the turtle forward according to the number indicated. Second command, back. Its short form is BK. It is used for moving the turtle back according to the number indicated. Third command, right. Its short form is RT. It is used for changing the direction of the turtle by turning it to the right. Fourth command, left. Its short form is LT. It is used for changing the direction of the turtle by turning it to the left. Fifth command, clear screen. Its short form is CES. It is used for erasing the pictures before a new picture is drawn and brings the turtle back to the home position. Sixth command, home. It is used for making the turtle go back to its starting position, that is the center of the screen. Seventh command, clear text. Its short form is CT. It is used for clearing the commands in the recall list box. Eighth command, time. This is used for displaying the current day, date and time. And ninth command, by. This is used for existing from the logo program. This is a screen of MS logo. The logo screen has main two parts. First, graphic window and second, commander window. First, graphic window. In this window, we draw the lines and shapes. Second, commander window. In this window, it has two sections. First has the command input box and second the command recall list box. The command input box. This is the right box where we type command that order the turtle to move. At the end of the command, we must press the enter key or click on the execute button for the turtle to follow the command. Second is the command recall list box. It is a gray section of the screen where all the commands are listed which you type in the input box. This is a scroll bar. What can be used to see the part of the list that is not visible? You can double click on any command in the list box to copy it to input box and execute it. Control buttons. There are some control buttons on the right of the commander window. There are used to perform different tasks. Execute button to turn or execute to command, click on execute button or press enter key. Next, status button. It is displays the status current settings in logo. Next, halt button to stop running any logo. Program. Click on the halt button. Next is a trace button. This button is used to trace and remove errors from program. Next, pause button. It pauses or stops the execute temporarily so that you can make corrections in program. Next, step button. Clicking on this button allows program to be executed step by step. And last is a reset button. It resets the logo of a screen. Now we will learn some new logo commands and how we'll work it. First is a PenUp. PenUp command. Its short form is PU. This command sets the PenUp. After giving this primitive, the turtle moves without drawing any line behind it. After giving this primitive, the turtle will move as per the number of steps in the text command without drawing a line. For example, FD, it means forward 50. PU, PenUp command, then FD 50, forward 50. So here we had seen that how the PenUp command has worked. The turtle moves forward by 50 units and draw a line as it moves forward. Then the turtle's pen lifts up and then the turtle moves forward by 50 units on the graphic window without drawing a line. Next is a pen down command. Its short form is PD. This command allows the turtle to start drawing a line again. This command is given after the PU command to put the pen down so that the turtle starts drawing again. The PD command is followed by the FD primitive. In the previous example, the forward command moves the turtle forward and then the PU command followed by the forward command moves the turtle more ahead by 50 units without drawing a line. As the pen was lifted up, now we will continue the giving commands. PD command followed by FD primitive, forward primitive. For example, forward 50, then we give for PU command, then once again forward 50, then PD command, it's mean pen down, and once again FD 50. So here we had seen that how the pen down command has worked. The turtle starts drawing again, moves forward by 50 units. Next is a pen erase command. Its short form is PE. This command is used to erase a line. Once the PE command is given, the FD, forward or BK, it means back, commands will erase the lines in that direction instead of drawing. For example, FD 50, it means forward 50. After the command FD 50, we give the PE primitive followed by the BK command, PE BK 20, back 20. So here we had seen that how the pen erase command has worked. After giving the PE primitive, the turtle works as an eraser for 20 units back. In the above example, the turtle moved forward by 50 units, drawing a line and then moves backwards and erases the line 20 units backwards. Next is a pen paint command. Its short form is PPT. This command is used after the PE or the PU. So the turtle starts drawing again. The PPT command is followed by another command. For example, PPT, then forward 50. So here we had seen that how the pen paint command has worked. After giving PPT command, the turtle starts drawing again. Next, hide turtle. Its short form is HT. This command is used to make the turtle disappear from the graphic window. The turtle continues to draw but cannot be seen. For example, FD60, forward 16. And now when we give HT command followed by the other commands, HT, right 90, forward 50. So here we had seen that how the hide turtle command has worked. The turtle disappears but it continues to draw. Next is a show turtle. Its short form is ST command. This command is used to make the turtle reappear on the screen of the graphic window. For example, HT, forward 70, right 60, forward 70. After these commands, we now give the ST command. So here we had seen that how the show turtle command has worked. The turtle reappears on the screen. Next is a print command. Its short form is PR. This command is used to display any word or sentence on the screen. A word can be written using these double quotes, and a sentence can be written using square brackets. Type print and then the sentence in square brackets. The sentence gets displayed in the recall box. For example, print hello. Write in double quotes. The print how are you today. Write in square brackets. The output is displayed in the recall list box like this. Next is a set. This command makes the turtle move towards the direction of the number input, no matter which direction it was pointing before the last instruction. Its set units are not counted from the current position of the turtle but from the home position. Set PC. This command is used to change the color of the turtle pane. Numbers from 0 to 15 represent different colors. Set PC1 FD forward 60. The turtle changes its paint color to blue and all the subsequent colors code in MSW logo. 0, that is black. Number 1, blue. 2, light green. 3, light blue. 4, red. 5, navy. 6, yellow. 7, white. 8, brown. 9, light brown. 10, green. 11, sand. 12, peach. 13, violet. 40 orange and 15 grey. So now we will do calculations with help of the maths logo. Did you know the turtle is good at maths also? Yes, it can calculate and give answer quickly. But you need to give commands in logo language for the turtle to perform maths calculations. It can perform various calculations in logo. First is addition, second subtraction, third multiplication, and fourth division. Sum command. The sum command is used to add two numbers. You also need to give the TR command. It means print command before the sum command to display the result in the recall list box. For example, print sum 12 and 5. Alternatively, you can use the following command, print 12 plus 5. The output result is displayed in the recall list box. For adding more than two numbers, you need to give the following commands, print bracket sum 3, 6, 1, bracket complete. Next is a difference. It is a difference. The difference command is used to subtract one number from another. Here, to like the sum command, you need to give the print command before the difference command to display the output in the recall list box. For example, print difference 20 and 10. Now you can use the following command, print 20 minus 10. Then the output result is displayed in the recall list box. Next, product command. The product command is used to multiply two numbers. For example, print product 5 and 2. Alternatively, you can use the following command, print 5 into 2. The output result is displayed in the recall list box. Next, quotient. The quotient command is used to divide one number from the other. For example, print quotient 12 and 4. Alternatively, you can use the following command, print 12 divided by 4. The output is displayed in the recall list box. Next is a repeat command. This command is used to instruct the computer to repeat a command several times. Thus, this command saves a lot of time as the command is given only once along with the number of times it is repeated. With the help of the repeat command, we can make a square. For example, the commands to draw a square, forward 100, then right 90, forward 100, right 90, forward 100, right 90, forward 100, right 90. Here the command forward 100 and right 90 is repeated 4 times. How many times? 4 times. The same process can be performed in just one line using the repeat command. The syntax for the repeat command is repeat number of times to repeat the commands to be repeated. For example, to draw a square, Instead of the above commands, we can now use the repeat command. Repeat 4 times. How many times? 4 times. The forward 100 and right 90. The number 4 after the repeat command instruct the computer to repeat 4 times the commands given within the square brackets. Now we will make a triangle with the help of repeat command. For example, to draw a triangle 3 sides, the turtle makes 3 turns. You need to divide the number of sides by 360. The 360 divided by 3 is equal to 120. So the angle of each turn is 120 degree. To draw a triangle using repeat command, repeat 3, forward 100, RT, right turn 120. Next is a pentagon. To draw a pentagon using repeat command, repeat 5, forward 100 and right turn 72. The angle of each turn is 72 degree. Now hexagon. To draw a hexagon using repeat command, repeat 6, forward 100, right turn 60. The angle of each turn is 60 degree. Now decagon. To draw a decagon using repeat command, repeat 10, forward 45, right 36. The angle of each turn is 36 degree. Now semicircle. To draw a semicircle using the repeat command, repeat 180, forward 1 and RT 1. RT it means right. Now last circle. To draw a circle using repeat command, repeat 360 degree, forward 1 and right turn 1. So, I hope everyone have understood this chapter, Advanced Logo. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.